Welcome back. So today we're going to be going through the Redarc 190 watt solar blanket. Been giving this a good hiding for the last 6 months. So yeah, let's go check it out. So yeah, before we get into it, we'll just let you know we're not endorsed by Redarc, we're not sponsored by them, we paid cash for this just as you would walking in off the street. So the advice we're about to give you is honest feedback. So this has had 6 months of abuse really. It's been through Queensland, Northern Territory into South Australia. It gets used every week. It's not a week goes past where we don't use it. Even if it's cloudy weather, we still get it out because some power's better than no power when you come to free camping. So most of the time it lives up on the bonnet or the windscreen there. We have had to put it on the ground before when the car's sort of not direct facing the sun, but I try to avoid that because the kids like to walk over it, ride their bikes over it and just try to wreck it in any way possible. They're great for that. So this is the 190 watt solar blanket with the sun power cells. You can see it stretched across the bonnet there. Sort of hit and miss with the clouds this morning. But at the moment, the clamp meter on there, we're getting just over 9 amps. So it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we've had it up to about 11.5 during the peak of the day. So it's a good bit of gear. Gets those batteries charged up pretty quick. Yeah, so with that having it just there on the, most of the time it lives on the bonnet windscreen, which is a bit of pain sometimes if the sun's not pointing the right direction. You got to try and move the car around, and situations like this where we're hooked up sort of makes it hard to do that. It'd be nice if it had some sort of frame so you could sort of stand it up like a standard panel sometimes and point it towards the sun a bit better. Another thing which I've seen on other panels is they've actually got like a little a readout on the back of the blanket so you can see how much volts and amps you're actually putting out. So at the moment I've got the clamp meter on there just sort of keeping an eye on things. But when it's plugged into the van, sort of it goes through the BC-DC 1240, so sort of not really knowing what it's actually doing amps wise. It's good when we got it plugged into the car. We've got the BMS 1230 in the car, so that tells us everything that's going on live as it's doing it. So you can see there we've got it plugged into the car. This is the BMS 1230. You can see the battery voltage, battery temp, stage of the boost and the mode. As you can see here, yeah, we get nearly 10 amps from that blanket at the moment, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. 3 hours until the battery's charged up, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning now. 13.7 volts, 13.5 volts from this panel. Yeah, we're still averaging that 10 amps. That's going to have that battery charge up just after lunch. Yes, you can see here as it's folded up, it's not very big at all. It's sort of just a bit over the size of an A4 piece of paper, and not very thick either. Only weighs a couple of kilos. So we store this in the back drawers of the car, and yeah, it doesn't take up much room at all. So the price, I think they're about $1,900 we paid for it. So it is up there. It's high in the top end market for price wise, but I mean you get quality with it. We've bought cheaper eBay ones before and they've let us down, so we didn't want that happening this time. So if you want to be out there free camping, you're going to need some good solar. I mean, look at the place we're at now. There's no power here. Yeah, so hopefully that video has helped you choosing a solar blanket. We can do some more reviews on all the other gear we've got. Leave a comment on if anything else you want us to do a review on, any questions about the Redarc gear. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Cheers guys.